As EV industry is growing exponentially, and so is demand for skilled professionals from vehicle engineering and battery technology to charging infrastructure and software development. A subtle response to the call for skilled engineers in EV sector, our product steps in to seamlessly bridge the gap between the theoretical foundation and practical demands of this dynamic industry. And that's where the unique way of education steps up its game. Presenting our groundbreaking EdTech solution, Electric Vehicle Emulator. This experimental setup consists of mainly battery pack, controller board, and motor test rig. Of our EV emulator, where you can perform experiments and understand the real-world scenarios to upskill yourself in electric vehicle technologies with regards to battery, motor, controller, and BMS. Our interactive battery management system, BMS dashboard. This dynamic tool offers real-time insights into every aspect of your battery system. Monitor individual series cell voltage, pack voltage, and temperature in real time, and also data logging. This BMS dashboard seamlessly integrates with our EV emulator, which not only refines the emulator's performance, but also provides a holistic learning experience. Here are the list of experiments that can be performed on this setup to learn about the operation, performance, and efficiency of EV. These are the benefits of EV emulator, an extra layer of depth to your learning experience. Through our comprehensive training program, we have trained nearly 10,000 plus students and industrialists in both EV and PV field. Our training equips individuals with knowledge and skills needed to thrive in the dynamic field of EV technology and renewable energy. We proudly present our valued customers who have embraced the future of learning by installing our Electric Vehicle Emulator. To know more about our EdTech product Electric Vehicle Emulator, you can contact us on the number mentioned or can mail us on retronenergies@gmail.com.